all of a sudden, life began. And life set out to evolve through countless iterations, full of little successes and all changing accidents. Until, at some point, we came along. Seemingly within the blink of an eye, mankind took the stage. And we began to shape the planet ourselves, fitting it best to our needs. Which is why we call this era the Anthropocene, the age of humankind. Unfortunately, some of our plans had no regard for other creatures or the planet itself. Today, our leading role and our impact raise a lot of questions. How will we generate our energy in the future? How will we protect the biodiversity? And in what kind of cities do we want to live? Campus Germany invites you to get to know the answers. Connect your minds and immerse yourself in 100,000 ideas for a better future. changing. And more than ever before, it's being changed by us.
At the same time, we know that something is not running the way it should.
Take a look around.
With you, the world is sitting in this room.
You all come from the most different places.